Meaning of free love.
Free love.
Free love.
Free love.
Free love. Free love is a concept that originated in the 19th century, advocating for the freedom to love and engage in romantic relationships without societal or legal constraints. It was often linked to feminist and social movements, as well as counterculture movements in the 1960s and 1970s. The term can also refer to a non-monogamous or polyamorous lifestyle. While the idea of free love has evolved over time, it continues to challenge traditional expectations of romance and sexuality today.